this year and now mama aloma ka odehe me baba omanye mene ka TV Adom TV na tomo here ni mena okwe Adom TV ka yewale Nkuranhyensem na mehya woso yi me amede dwumadi ho chia me so ni me dada boba mentie mate me da se woso bebo odini e fra adwoa me bo a na akwadwo matimpo afa che me ho ye de me senya me nhira e de ma abrabo me sere adom se ennom na ensempa emfi mumpie na enegye enware wadi fi ene ofi bam nyinara na yedie emfa wo ento ne nsam ema yedie enware ene dey me pese mbiso asembi se eba no aware a wo ware se ba na brabo a wo buo se wa fa manager bi so hwe so ma wo a ka be koso a ema ayadwuma ma so wo hwe abrabo mo results wo hwe be abrabo be du na ka abrabo hwe manager bi nsa sa manager no bobo na baso be abrabo be du semre manager wo hwe abrabo so no betu abo na baso manager no ankasa no you are your own life manager and don't give up on yourself. Put yourself up and take charge over your life's direction. Don't compare your life with others, for you cannot be like others. Wabrabo no one wabrabo so hwesofo. One wabrabo so manager. Wajuma woyo, wapomodne, wawade, wadisua. You are the manager of every element of your life. So besum nyame, so besum bonsam, you are the manager. Ami de messe so sum nyankopon na pa bonsam achi wate. So be power repa. So aware be de, so mo ye hu a, wo na wo ye aware no manager. Therefore you have to take charge. So for abra bo hye wonsa. Na ope akande bi so say where do I want to be at? Hina me de mabra bo eko. And why do I even want to go there? Ask the where and find out the why. A day na me pese my brabo a dance ronko e woni pam. What do I want to be known for? A dim man and pese a frame. I shall so dear ben and pese me jana brabum. And why do I want to do that? Sika. Here sika emma ko se obepe de abeyo. Money follows a good life decision. So stop following money and start thinking about how you can add value to your life and to the life of others. Then you can become great. So obede akande be kan abrabo ho na asone abu nkrofo so na ye fa ni nkonimidie that you think that you are capable of achieving your goals. So first get a vision. Where do I want to go to? What do I want my life to look like? How do I want people to call me? A good father, a good mother, a good friend, a hardworking worker. How do I want people to describe me? That's the vision you have. And so I didn't know about go and this one. Ubedi achide. And to be say vision be na me wode mama brabo ne. Me ton ade wo dwom. E de na mpese won e beto ade na be frɛ me. Mami we de koto na ade osre o. No afrɛ mo meto bi mami o. Abaye kwa me mami e boka abaye kwa me na o rabra. Oto ade yo se me da se obeto ade na mami. O chan sambra biom. O to ade ni pa beto ade na fi so. On twinto akọ. Emfa so de wu nyada. Abrabo no etoje wankasa. Woni obi ton ade wo dwom wo ye to na ade sen wo. Ya ahwe se de ne subantie. Obi ti ofi ho na wade efe. Ne ma energy ya ahwe de wo yo. Wo hwe no wa hu na bisa no. Adisuade etuntwada. You can always create a vision for your life and pursue the vision and set goals. Anapa se me ye we awia se me ye wie anwumre se me ye wie ade ba chi se me nya sa ade we have targets. Now prepare to take your step towards meeting your targets. Ade bi ada to so abeyo no obetimi ayo. Put yourself in the game of becoming extraordinary. You can choose to become an ordinary Ghanaian or an extraordinary Ghanaian. But you can say abrabo mi de mi bubi keke eyeyi amafa na bi. Nyahunu se udimu osafata. Na betimi abu bra edimu. Don't settle for less. Don't settle for less. Decide to be great enya tare abɛhye ne kuntan enya makeup abɛyɛ ne kuntan enya shoe abɛhye ne watch abɛhye enya no na bɛkyɛ wa brabo de abɛhye no wadwen proso suba abɛhye no wadwen proso nimdia obɛhye no wadwen proso eni nyansa ena de abrabo ekonanim nyansa until you are made to be great. Think great. Pursue great knowledge. Adwene edimu. Pursue great understanding. Nyantiase a esefata edimu and take great actions. Serve great men in great ways and you can be great. Sumpa na sumnipa. You are capable. Yes, you can. Adie bia ni obesi kwan. Yes, there are walls in your life that you have to overcome. You are afesu ese obunkam so. Afesu ni bi ye baabi a wo freba. Ade e de kire wo se ye ne ne enye. Emra e hyema wo, emra bi wo se obuso. Obu aye wo ya kire se wa anko university a wonye yie. Enye ne kore. University ye pa ebie wa dwemu. Na won koye no nkire se wontimi nye yie. Enye obi a wo ye yie bia no ko university. Ena dodo na so akọ university a wona ayi. Abusua baabi a wo tin na day. You are in charge of your life. Therefore, take charge of your life. And for a brabon to Toby home, Ominyan comes in Tekotego, Ominyan comes to Sandra, Ominyan comes to Daching, Ominyan comes to me. I don't one bed more. I don't want today. And ya don't pen a bear a Juma even who which member bra now a crasuho at Tonka. Yes, so to me call Anajoha, a pen number fear, Mafo broke wine about a cra abatonam. If you are able to go for hunting and get the best of catch, people will beat a pathway to your village. Maybe out Tibiano. My brabo enshani. My brabo enimu. Nanyehu say brabo, you are in charge of your life. And you create the directions that your life must go. Onyami shirao. Onyami kan. Onyame mo ho ban na omma wo suban ni nyansa abetimi da kra abrabo na adimu na onfa abrabo ntutu obi dia ho so wo ntutu ho bi afọ abrabo to onyame obo wo no ho na ka che wo se meyese ne yankopon e ka sa menyo no mo ma men na Thomas me cameraman ase na men na Frank oya me sound ase na men na MCR me floor manager and empo me lighting for ase na men ko production na men na production team ase me kanama kan say Ewura Sandra Oyuadon Prisla me dase Thomas Enhiran kan dache hene oyo hene mapa osum na mdema wo na Webek Ampadu me dawase ochina nyame epeye ho a besenhia oni onyame entina